Yeah, hello guys, you are welcome to Easy Tech Academy. All right, so this is Infinix X652B. That's Infinix S5 Lite. Okay, so this phone is having issue of slow charging, which is a very common issue to all Infinix and Tecno phone. Okay, so let's check the reading on USB meter. Okay, so let's check the amps that is taking. Okay, so let's check the ampere. So it's taking 0.46 amps. 0.46 amps. Actually, sometimes we have like low battery that the phone can start from 0.3. So gradually when is continuing to charge and the percentage of the battery is increasing, so we must have like the amperes will be increasing to 0.789 and 1 ampere. So you can see that the amps is dropping. Okay, so it doesn't exist more than 0.5. Okay, and that's how it is going to stay. And the phone, according to the complaint, it can use up to 10 hours before it can fully charge. So all right, so keep watching. So I'm going to show you the secret. Okay, so you are lucky to see this kind of video, so you will learn everything step by step. All right, so now let's go to troubleshooting step. Okay, so we have seen, so the amps is dropping. So I've already made a lot of troubleshooting on it. I've checked all the signal and voltage that require for charging to work, and everything is working perfect. But now let me show you the problem that I found. Okay, so now I'm going to work on the DM and DP line. Okay, so that's data plus and data minus, so which is CPU is using for communicating, so for data transfer. Okay, so this line when it's damaged, it causes slow charging. Okay, so I'm going to work on it. All right, so this is the DM and DP. That's the test point for the both. Okay, and that's the leg that is attached to the connector, the charging connector. Okay, so that's USB, DM and DP. That's the two test point. Okay, so I'm going to read them on diode mode. So let me put it on diode mode. All right, so now, so this is the two leg for the DM and DP. So you can see 0.769. So both leg has the same diode value. Okay, so both leg has the same diode value. So I'm going to check on my multimeter. So I'm going to check on my multimeter. So now let's check on the phone. Okay, all right, so now I'm going to put my multimeter to diode mode. So let's check the diode value. So for the first one, so let's check. Okay, let's check the reading on multimeter. Okay, so for the first one, so on multimeter, so the first one is reading OL instead of 769. Okay, so let's check the second one. The second one is reading 847. So which is fine, it's fine. So but one leg is not reading fine, and that's the DM line. DM, that's data minus. So the data plus is reading is giving us a good diode value. Okay, so you can see the leg are connected to two diode, after then two resistor. Okay, all right, so we are going to check the value of this resistor on schematics. Okay, so because two resistor, CPU use it to communicate, so for data transfer. All right, so now let's check on schematics. So now on schematics, so these are the two resistor. That's R6404 and R6403. So that's the two resistor, and their value is 5 ohms. They are 5 ohm resistor. So now I'm going to check them with my multimeter. I will locate it on the board and check it with multimeter. So I will put my multimeter to ohms mode. Okay, so let's check the value. Let's see what we get. Okay, all right, so now this is the two diode that's passed through it. Okay, so you can see that's the two diode. So that's the two diode. Okay, but let's work on that resistor. All right, Okay, so now so these are the two diode that I'm touching, and that's the two resistor. That's two small resistor. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to check the value of this resistor. So let's check the first resistor. So the first resistor is giving me like 3 mega ohms. That's funny, instead of 5 ohm resistor. So that's too much, very far. So it's not good, it's not giving me good condition. So this second resistor, that's D plus dm that's dp resistor, that's 95 ohms. Actually the leg is reading fine, but I'm not okay with that 95 ohms. So let me just change the two. I will change the two resistor. Okay, both of them are not giving me a good value, so I'm going to change the two. Okay, I will change the two completely. So that's the two resistor I'm trying to show you. Okay, all right. So I don't have person to hold my camera, so I'm struggling to record this video to you. Okay, so now that's the two resistor. That's the two resistor. Okay, so I'm going to change both. I'll find it on another scrapboard and change it. Okay, so now let me try to change it. All right. So all right guys, so now I've tried to change the two resistor. Okay, so I've changed the two resistor. All right, so I changed the two completely. Okay, so I've changed the two resistor, so the dm and dp resistor. Okay, all right, so I've tried to change it. So the two guys are not really fine, so I try to change both. Okay, you can see, so I've changed the two. All right, so now I will try to test the phone. Okay, so let's see whether the condition is going to change. All right, okay, so let me try to plug it with USB meter. All right. Okay, so I will try to plug the charger. Okay, so now let's check the USB meter. All right, so it's charging. So you can see it's taking 1 amps, guys. It's taking 1 amps. So now the condition have changed. Okay, so 1.02 amps. Okay, so guys, I think you learn in this video. So this is very secret. It's a secret one, so it's very scarce for you to find it online. Okay, so I think with this kind of issue, you were able to solve slow charging on Infinix and Tecno phones. Okay, so now yes, it's taking 1 amps. Okay, so now the condition have changed. Okay, all right, so guys, let me tell you one thing. It is knowledge that fix, not the time. It is knowledge that fix. Okay, you can see 1.3. Wow, that's good. It's knowledge that fix, not the time. Okay, all right, so guys, so all right guys, so now I see that you can see all the process of that slow charging. Okay, so this problem is common for Infinix and Tecno phone. So I hope you get all the process. You can see now, so the phone is taking 1.3 amps. So you can see, so the amperes have changed and the phone is charging. So with this amperes, so the phone will fast and charge. Okay, so if you like this video, so you can click the like button and follow this account for more video like this. Okay, and I want to remember you guys that for the online class, so when the online class starts, so it will be announced on this channel. Okay, so love you guys, so see you later. All right.